Very good afternoon, traders. Welcome to MST School of Trading. Today, another day, we have got a wonderful profit and entry from our MST iCore 2.0 advanced price action based tool. So, let me show you the performance of Bank Nifty using our MST iCore 2.0. Before I can continue, if you are not subscribed to our indicator and YouTube channel, please join our YouTube channel. Also join our Telegram channel and subscribe to our indicator with the lifetime validity. Okay, you don't have to pay anything for every month for data and all, so it is completely free of service post subscription. And every day we are conducting doubts clearing session. So whenever you get a doubt, please make a note of it and send the questions and join the doubts clearing session on every Sunday. Also, we are planning to teach you some techniques how to avoid the false entry and how to be in the trade when the market is going to fall or when the market is going to rise more. Now let me show you today's performance by replaying the market. So now it is ready. And I forgot to say one thing. Today we have given one new update in the indicator. What is the new update? So in the bottom you can see TMP and BMP. So TMP means top midpoint and BMP means bottom midpoint. So two lines will be extra found between our buy entry and the sell entry. So it will also act as the support or resistance, also act as the targets. From the buy entry also one target, from the sell entry also it will be acting as the target. So come here and give reset settings, and if you want to trade with a very tiny SL, that also you can keep. If you want to trade with the tiny SL, that also you can keep. That is up to you. So now see here, as I told you, two extra line has been formed. These green lines are the new update. So now how it can be used? As I already told you, the midpoint will be the pivot point. If any candle is closing above the pivot point and high of that candle is broken, or if you find any price action pattern like bullish engulfing, bearish engulfing, or some other Marbuzi candle, then you can use those techniques along with this pivot point. That is one method. So now another one, see here, we got the top three lines and bottom three lines are the entries. Top three lines is this supply zone, that is for sell entry, and bottom two lines are the support zone. So here this is the buy entry. So when the market is open, we are ready with the two strike price. One is this ATM price, or the midpoint as the OTM price, or the bottom one as the ATM price, or ITM also you can take. Now if the market is reaching to the upper side first, we will be having 45,000 put option buy. Otherwise we can buy 45,100 put option buy, or we can buy any OTM, that is a midpoint, 44,800 put option we can buy. So now we have got the sell entry. So now we have to wait for the target. If the market is coming down, okay, we can book the profit. If the market is going up, our SL 45,105 on closing basis will hit. Once the SL is hit, we have to go for the second buy from there. Okay, then we have to wait for the targets. So now see here, I have not enabled any targets here. Actually, as per rules, once sell or buy is activated, we have to come here and we have to enable the sell targets. Okay, so instead of that, today I have added two more lines. So now the first two lines will be acting as the target. So from the sell entry, we will be having the targets. From the buy entry, we will be having the targets. See here, first target hit, midpoint also hit, third target also hit. Now it has come down to our buy zone. So now we have to decide whether we can go 1 second buy entry here, because as per the rule, one sell activated there is no buy, if buy activated there is no sell. But here if you can apply one price action method that we call it as R3C. So we have explained in a separate video how to use the R3C along with our indicator. You please watch that video and you can very well make profit in both the side. So from 45,034 to 44,738. So we have got around 300 points profit today. 300 points profit in a single entry. So this is how our indicator is working. So people are telling market will go there, come here, all the blah blah they will say, but we are not worried about. Today is the expiry day. Even then our indicators is performing well. See here, exactly after touching our support zone perfectly, it has touched it and it is going to upper side. So it is almost going to reach the second target also. So hope this is clear. If you have any doubts, please ask us. Please support us, keep supporting us, and please share the video to all your friends. Thank you all. Bye bye. Wish you all the best and wish you all happy profitable day ahead.